Hi everyone, it's Michelle from Scrap Secrets and welcome to another haul video. Yes, another haul. So I got my Create and Inkspire kit yesterday, and then today I got my Kindred order. So I wanted to show you guys, do one haul for both of them. And let's get started. We're gonna start with Create and Inkspire because I have a naughty stamp from Kindred and I wanna save that for last, but I wanna show you guys everything else. So I want you to stay tuned, even if you don't wanna see the naughty stamp set. So let's talk a little bit about Create and Inkspire before we get into the kit. It is an online publication that Courtney Kreber started last month, and now it's a subscription. It's $3.99 a month currently, and you get 10% off the kit if you are a member of Create and Inkspire. The online publication has classes, has videos, has blog post inspirations, and somebody that you just happen to know is going to have a video up next month. I can't tell you what it's about because I haven't made the video yet, but I do have a lot of ideas swirling around in my head for what I'm going to do, and it's due very soon, so I'm going to get on that this weekend. Don't worry, Courtney, I'll have it for you. So let's get started on what comes in the kit. So you get 2 pieces of 110-pound bright white smooth cardstock by Mohawk, which it's very bright white and very smooth. And then there's 1 piece of Nina Desert Storm cardstock, which is a very, very pretty sand color. Then there's 1 piece of Ivy Sheen pearlescent cardstock, and both sides are pearlescent too, which is cool. There are, and that one is by Tonic Studios. There are 2 A2 pieces of Craft Perfect watercolor card, also by Tonic. And these have some really pretty, like some nice texture to them. Okay, then we have 1 Nuvo masking fluid, which I've never used masking fluid before, so I'm super excited to try this out. I generally just cut my masks out and use some Zig 2-way glue pen, and I've wanted to try it, so that will be in an upcoming video. Then there is 1 Nuvo shimmer powder in Sunray Crosset, I think is how you say it. It is very pretty. It looks like it is a orangey yellow, and I saw this used the other day, and I just don't know why. I don't remember if that is exactly the color, but I'm assuming that's why they put that color on the label. Okay, there is a little bag of twine. And then there's the embellishments by Trinity, and these are so pretty. I love how when the light catches them, they're different colors. So they're like clear, but then they have the iridescent to them. So I'm so excited about using these. I'm not big with embellishments, so this is going to force me to use them. And then, let's see, you have 2 stencils that come in the kit. This is the Wildflower Meadow stencils. And now you don't have to make these into florals. These can all be leaves just by changing the color of them. So I'm excited to use that. And then there is a Cloud and Grass stencil. And I do have some, I already have a cloud and a grass stencil, but what's nice about this is it's different. Every stencil has a different pattern to the clouds or the grass, so you can use them in conjunction with each other and have a different pattern for your backgrounds. So okay, so then there's 2 stamp sets that come with this kit. There's a Wildflowers 4x6 stamp set, which are beautiful flowers. Courtney drew these herself, and for somebody who keeps saying that she can't draw to save her life and that she only draws straight lines, I think she did a really, really good job with these. I could not do that, and well, I can't draw either, but I think she did a great job. And then there are 3x4 sentiment stamp sets. This is called Wildflower Sentiments. And it says, missing you today, friends bring color to your world, my friend, thankful for you, you are loved, and hello friend. And these are perfect small sentiments so that they can go on the front and not distract from what you've done. So, and then, did I show you guys the sweet treat? This is also in there. I don't think I did. I've had to do this video twice because my hot water heater and then my air conditioner kicked on So, and it's so loud when it's, you know, down here. So I have to try to film in between that. Okay, so it says, fun fact, the creator of Airheads came out with this product in 1985 with only one flavor, which was red, and let his kids name the candy. So thank you for this. I will definitely use that. So that's everything that comes in the kit. Super excited to use it. We are going to be using this for the 6-month same stamp set challenge or hop in August. So the other one is the end of this month. It's the 30th of every month. So July 30th is Not Too Shabby, and then August 30th is the Create and Inkspire kit. Now let's hop over to Kindred Stamps real quick because I don't want to take up much of your guys' time. We did have one mistake. I ordered Forest Friends and I actually got Childhood Friends, which I already have. I love this stamp set. That is my favorite character right there, but I already have it. So I'm gonna put that to the side and I'm gonna see if they want me to send it back when I get my other one. I did place another order today, so I told them they could just stick that stamp set in the order. All right, so I am getting on the Catherine Pooler ink bandwagon because I feel like everyone uses this and I'm just very late to the party, but I got her midnight because some of my black inks were running out and this is a Copic friendly one. Now I know that with this you have to tap very carefully, and what I love about that is that it came with this little instruction sheet and it says works beautifully with Copic and alcohol based markers, which is great because that's what I generally color with, and it is also waterproof. So it says, be aware that the Midnight ink pad will stain your stamps. When using CP squishy foam pads, all you need is a light love tap to prevent ink from getting into the negative spaces on your stamp. Now, I do remember this from when Justine Hovey was using them. You know, she's just like a little light tap in the middle of it and not like smushing it down. So this, the girls are not allowed to use that because they love smushing the ink down. So this ink pad, not for them. That's the first thing that I got from Kindred. Okay, let me just make sure the naughty one is off to the side. And some of these are from the vault, which means that they were retired and they came back. And these are ones that were retired before I even found Kindred. So this one is called Puppy Love. And absolutely adorable. There's that one. This one was my sister's favorite movie when she was little, and she called it The Arrest of the Cats. So it didn't say the name of the movie, but she used to call it The Arrest of the Cats. And this one is, I don't see the name on here. Let me just look real quick. You're Perfect, maybe? This might be You're Perfect. So cute. Okay. And then this one is going to go into my giveaway because I don't know how this happened, but I bought 2 of them. So this is the Postal Worker Appreciation. Not sure how that happened, but got a second one. And it was just literally, maybe I had left it in the cart. I don't know what happened. Okay, this one is Annie Shark. So Planner Annie. They have a stamp of the month. And then this one is one that is what again was another pre-order. This is Yoho. So the first one was, I'm sorry, this Puppy Love was a pre-order, Yoho was a pre-order, Forest Friends, which I didn't get, was a pre-order, and You're Perfect, which is the one that I showed you with the cats. That one was a pre-order. So I ordered them about a month ago. So cute. And then the last thing I'm going to show you before we get to the naughty one is this stencil, and I'm loving their I do love their stencils. I'm sorry, I'm just looking for it. It's called Crackle, and I have a background die that's like this. But isn't this really pretty for like stained glass or just a really interesting background? And I think what I want to do with this is a technique of doing it, inking it up in one color and turning it and inking it up in a complement, or not a complement, like a color that blends with it, and kind of maybe doing a interesting background to see what different kinds of shapes you can get. So I might play around with that and just see what I get. So that is everything that I got with the exception of the naughty stamp. So if you guys don't want to see the naughty stamp, please end the video right now. I am going to give you a couple seconds before I show it, but I do want to do the disclaimer that this is for 18 and older. It's not really bad, but you know, it is an adult themed one. So, okay, I'm gonna show it now. So this is the Kindred Gets Naughty, The Hustle. Oh, let me see. I don't know if you can see how well you can see this one because of the plastic, but I will. Trying to see if I have anything. So, there you go, that's it. So that's everything. I was trying to do the haul as quick as possible to keep it as painless as possible for you guys. I didn't see a pin or a little or anything. They normally put a pin in there, which kind of disappoints me because I have a whole big collection of them. There was no card and there was no pin this time. So maybe they just didn't have any. I don't know. But thank you guys so much for watching. I am going to have a ton of stuff coming up. I have a Kindred Christmas card swap. I'm going to try to participate in the non-Christmas stamp used as a holiday stamp. So you have to pick a stamp set that is not generally holiday and then make it a holiday card. The card swap is a holiday one, so it doesn't have to be. Those are two separate projects. I have a 3-day mermaid hop coming up at the end, or under the sea hop coming up. That is July 30th, 31st, and August 1st. There is the 30th is the same stamp set, same set syndrome hop. My goodness, there's so many S's in that, which is featuring Not Too Shabby. I have my project that's due for Courtney's Create and Inkspire, and I'm sure there's something else that I'm forgetting. Oh, Team Tiny's video is tomorrow, the hashtag Team Tiny Christmas in July. You won't want to miss that because there's going to be lots of inspiration to start your Christmas cards. And I think that might be it. I mean, I don't know what I'm going to do with my free time this weekend. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have comments or questions, please feel free to leave them below. Hit the subscribe button, and I promise I will be back with more videos. I'm going to try to do some process videos for the cards that I have due this weekend. So I'll talk to you guys real soon. Bye!